That wasn't what I was expecting.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am naturally Curlysa, and today I'm going to be using some more new products that I've never used before because I'm a what?
Product junkie.
Hey, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I know you are one too. I see you over there. Ha! We're all in this together. So today I'm going to be using Main Krush. I love the bottle, love the color. This is the Krisis Control. I'm gonna call it AO. AO leave-in and the Krisis Control AO Buttercream. I don't know how to say that. I'm not gonna try to say it. I could have went on Google and did the pronunciation, but I don't have time for that. So, AO. So if you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at naturally_Curlysa. I have a lot more content on there. Today I am going to do 3-strand twists, and I'm also going to do a side part. So I haven't done 3-strand twists in a very long time because they take up too much time. If you can hear Eris, she's in the bathtub and I've already told her to be quiet, but. Alright, so I'm gonna start off like I always do by putting some leave-in on my hair. It's not open. Oh my gosh. That smells. That wasn't what I was expecting. I wasn't expecting anything, but that smells good. So, it smells kind of fruity. I like smells. It's really thick. Thick leave-in. Oh, this smells like candy.
It smells just like candy.
This smells like some fruity candy. No. I can't put my finger on it. I know what this smells like. This smells like something I've eaten before. Is it gum? It smells like Trident gum. Layers. Pay me in gum. That's what it smells like. No, that's not it. I don't think that's it either. It smells like something, but it smells good. I can't get my finger on it and it's bothering me. I'm gonna take this first strand. Okay, so that's thicketh. Like Dairy Queen, I can dip your Frosty. Oh, Frosties are at Wendy's. You know how it is. You know what I mean. This is super thick. So we're gonna put this all over. And it has the same smell. I can feel the AO herbs in here. So I can feel the AO herbs in the product. Juicy. I'm just gonna put some oil over it to seal in the moisture. It's not from Main Krush, so I'm not gonna speak on it. But I'm just gonna put some oil over it. Alright, so let's start this 3-strand twist. When I first started doing 3-strand twists, I wanted to braid. That's where my hands naturally went to, but the more you practice, the better you get. I just don't do them a lot because they take longer than me to 2-strand twisting. But the definition is actually really good. Better than 2-strand twisting. Alright, so this is my twist. Oh my goodness. Should I say it? It's just the first twist. But we're gonna say it. Juiciest twist I've ever seen. I said it and it's just the first twist. Now, I don't know what AO herbs do in your hair, and that's not how you say it. I just don't know how to say it. This is very serious. But the things that I've heard about these herbs is that they really help your hair. Like, a lot of people like them. I probably use some products with it in there. Most of the brands that I buy hair products from are small businesses, and I learned that small businesses actually care more about what they put in their products over these big mainstream brands. Now, that's not to say that these small brands still don't use stuff that's not good for your hair, because I have tried some stuff that's trash. But I like to watch a lot of reviews on YouTube on products before I use them, so that you do all the research for me so I don't have to look at all that stuff. I'm just being honest. I just happened to look over and I'm reading some of the stuff in here. There's aloe vera juice, babasu, avocado oil, castor oil, soybean oil, chibi, Irish moss, marshmallow root. I absolutely love marshmallow root because it has a lot of slip. Fenugreek, neem, fragrance, and optifin. So I can see why this is putting so much moisture in my hair. There's some good stuff in here. And the buttercream has aloe vera juice, distilled water, shea butter, babasu, avocado oil, soybean oil, chibi, hibiscus, flax seeds, fenugreek, fragrance, and optifin. So I love fenugreek too. So, whew, this is turning out to be one of my favorite brands, and I haven't even finished. I'm only on twist 3. I also did buy some gel from them too, for wash and go. So I can't wait to get that to try it. Alright, so I'm all done with the back. I'm gonna show you. I know they may all be stacked up on the top of each other, and that's because I've done 3 rows of 3 instead of like trying to make it work. I don't care. For anybody wondering
How you do 3-strand twist? I'm confused. I don't know how to do it.
I'm gonna tell you. It's the same way as doing 2-strand twists, just with 3 strands.
But sis, that didn't help me out at all.
I'll show you. Alright, so the easiest way for me to remember is, of course, you want 3 even strands. If you take hair from another section, then the twist out is gonna be kind of difficult to take down because you're gonna get a little frizz. I'm gonna get frizz because I've been stealing hair the whole time I've been doing this. Alright, so imagine with a 2-strand twist, you know, you take your 2 pieces, you go over. Alright, so imagine this as a strand and these 2 together. Imagine these 2 as a strand. So this is 1 strand and this is 1 strand. And you're gonna go over both of those strands. Remember, you have 3. Same way for this one. This is 1 strand, this is 1 strand. You go over. And you keep going over. Just like a 2-strand twist, only with 3 strands. You basically wrap, this is how your 2-strand twist would look, and you would go over. You're going over the 2 strands. And you keep going over the 2 strands. And it's that simple. And then when your hand-eye coordination starts to work out, you can go a little faster, and you got a 3-strand twist. And bam, you got a 3-strand twist. Not that hard, right? I hate when somebody shows me that they can do something. That don't mean that I can do it. I am all finished with the 3-strand twist on this side. I'm gonna finish up on this side, and then I'm gonna show you guys my final results. But I'm already loving it. I can't wait to take a picture. I just want to take a picture. I just want to see the back. Y'all saw the back. I ain't seen it yet. That's why I hate doing 3-strand twists, because I would have been done by now. And it's taking so long. It's like braids. So finally, I'm all done with my twists. Alright, so the side of them, they're not perfect, but remember I'm doing protective twists for work. And then I'll probably take them down Friday. This is the back. I don't know if you guys can see it. And this side. So I am highly satisfied with these products. My twists look super juicy. These have already dried all the product, and the product is still on these because I just did them. I am in love with this leave-in. The leave-in is really thick. It coats my strands, and so is the buttercream. The buttercream is super thick. I don't really have to use a lot of it, but I'm heavy-handed, so I did use a lot. With the AO herbs in them, you can actually feel them on your hair. I feel like I'm late to the party. Like, I feel like I'm late jumping on the train. I'm one of those ones where the conductor says, all aboard, last call. And I'm like, oh snap, let me jump on, because I feel late. I feel like I should have already had this brand in my stash. And it's one of my new faves. I think I say that every week, but I'm serious about this one. It smells amazing. The moisture is amazing. And I am highly satisfied. I can't wait to take these down and see what this 3-strand twist out looks like. So that's all I got, people. Have you tried the main Krush before? What did you think of it? This is definitely one of those ones that you need to try. It has a lot of moisture. I think this will work for all hair types. So don't listen to me. It might not. I'm not good with the recommendations. That's all I got, people. I'll see y'all on the next video.